You know that moment when you feel completely confident in your car? You're rehearsing what you're going to say, how you're going to show up. You feel clear, strong, ready. And then you walk up to the door, grab the door handle, and your body tightens, your stomach drops, your heart races, your mind goes blank. If that has ever happened to you, I want you to understand that reaction is not weakness, it's wiring. I once worked with a client who was brand new to sales. He was intelligent, capable, motivated, charismatic. And before walking into a new office, he would sit in his car and pump himself up, positive self-talk, confident posture, clear intention. He felt great. But the moment he walked to the door and grabbed that door handle, his body reacted as if something was dangerous or about to happen. He even called it, "My blood runs backwards." So we didn't work on his sales script. We didn't work on confidence or affirmations. We asked a different question. What is the brain protecting you from? And we traced that reaction back to when he was 5 years old. His mother dropped him off at kindergarten and he felt alone, unsafe, unsure. His nervous system locked in that moment as an emotional pattern, an emotional fear. Then years later, every time he approached a new door, an unfamiliar situation, his body reacted with the same emotional habit, as if separation was happening all over again, feeling alone and afraid. Consciously, he knew it was fine, but his subconscious mind did not. And people don't understand this about anxiety. Anxiety is rarely about the present moment. It is your nervous system running an old survival program. Your brain doesn't care how successful you are. It only cares that at some point it felt unsafe and that past situation looks like the present. And in that moment, it activates that emotional memory because the brain picks up that old file and brings it forward. That is why you can feel confident and still freeze on stage. Confidence lives in the conscious mind, but the fear lives in the subconscious. Now, when we update the childhood imprint using structured NLP and hypnosis, his nervous system stopped reacting like he was 5 years old. The next week, he walked into offices calm and clear. He connected easily. He booked 10 new meetings. Nothing changed externally. The wiring changed internally. This is the power of working at the subconscious level. You do not need more willpower. You do not need more positive thinking. You need your nervous system to feel safe, and safety is trainable. If you notice that anxiety shows up right when it matters most, right before a presentation, right before an important conversation, before being visible, that is a pattern, and patterns can be rewired. If you are ready to stop managing or coping with anxiety and actually ready to retrain the root of it, I invite you to book a free consult to learn more. We work directly with the subconscious patterns driving the reaction so your body can respond in the present, not as if it's happening in the past. You deserve to walk through the door feeling confident and accomplished as the adult you actually are. Book a free consult. We'll talk soon.